Okay, so today I'm gonna change the spark plugs on this 2008 Q7 3.6 liter, and it got 80,000 miles with the original spark plugs on them. Okay, we lift this up and then we pull it out. So this is the one, okay? I use this. So I need this tool to pull that ignition coil out because it fits very tightly in. So we got to pull it up, and only way to do it is to use this tool, and it got to fit perfectly in there. Okay, so this is the ignition coil. So this is after 80,000 miles, and it's still really good. I think it's also Iridium. Actually, they both look exactly the same. It's the same part. And the center electrode is hardly burned up or worn out. Amazing. So I put some oil on the thread and replace with a new one. So always use hand to install and tighten it. So now I think it goes a little angle like that. So now it's tight, so I can torque it down. So I use a torque wrench, tighten it to 22 foot-pound. They said it's 25, but I use 22, it's good enough. After I put it in place, I use this one to pry it up and it'll come up. So if you look inside here, the position are alternate. So this one outside, inside, outside, inside, and they're slanted. So make sure when you put back the coil, you put in right position. All right, so it's all done. Make sure you snap them until it click.